Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Tuesday, July 16, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar weighted put call ratio on the VIX, we have a bullish reading on July with 31% of the total premiums paid. August and September are bearish with 35 and 8% of the total premiums paid. And October 11% with a neutral, and December bearish with 14. Overall, we have a neutral dollar weighted put call ratio on the VIX. Let's go to the charts here. Here we have the daily chart for SPX. You can see here, interesting that we broke the 8-day streak for the SPX. As you can see here, we were down today, almost an outside bar, but not on the upside. We were did not finish at the close, but pretty interesting that we at least were able to see some profit taking after such a big run to the upside. I believe we're going lower, as you know, my camp. 1640 is my first target. 1650, 1640, I would start taking some profits off the short if you are. And 1600 if we break that 1650 level. So that's going to be important levels to watch. Tomorrow we have Ben Bernanke coming out at 10 Eastern time. The document's going to be released early, so you could see that before. Going to the Qs. Here we have the daily chart for the Qs. You could see here, and also down day. Not much, 0.3% for the day. That's pretty much it. Pretty neutral. The volume was higher than on the upside, as you could see here, that from yesterday's upside. That's worth taking into consideration. And you know the camp I'm in. I would prefer to use the SPY or Russell for the downside if you wish. You could see here this upward trend line. We're testing it, finishing down 0.5% for the day. First target I'm looking around 100. If we break that 100 level, I'm looking for 99 target. So that's what my downside looking at. That's not going to be tomorrow, obviously. If you look at the SP mid cap, the 400, very interesting day today, down 0.8% for the day, and we do have an outside day reversal. That's important here. You can see it here, the ETF. Very nice volume compared to yesterday on average, basically. And maybe this one will be the leader to the downside. I would also like to be short this one instead of try to get some beta out of it to the downside if you wish. Going to the GLD chart. Here we have it, 0.6% up for the day, almost to 125. We got the pop based on the CPI came above, a little bit above expectations. Not much to worry about. You can see there's no volume there. I still believe we're going lower. 118 is the target. Silver. Here we have the daily chart for SLV. And today you could see we were up 0.25%. Pretty similar pattern. You know, the camp I'm in, 20 would be the price I would start to short this stock, this ETF. And I would be looking for a break of 18, a break of 18, and that would be the target. Nothing going on here, not much volume today either, and not much conviction to the upside. Let's go to the stocks. Here we have Apple chart. Today we were up 0.6% for the day, and still below those levels we talked about, the confluence of the 150-day moving average. Interesting levels here. We're gonna have to see. I wouldn't get into the trade before earnings anyway, but just worth watching it here. It's gonna be a very important earnings for Apple. Lots of reports coming out from them about problems, iPhone sales. So we're gonna have to wait and see before taking a side here on Apple. Google. We have Thursday. Google EPS coming out. I wouldn't touch it. I would take profits if you're long. We're basically at an all-time high. Why go into an earnings play when you have some profits there that you could protect? Then we have Goldman Sachs coming out with earnings this morning. And basically wow, big sell-off after they beat the numbers. Big volume, you could see here. You know that I've been bearish on the banks. I told that from maybe Friday or Monday. I believe that the run it's mostly over here. First target on Goldman will be that 50-day moving average. I would basically think we're coming here to test this 150 level if we do get some momentum to the downside. I wouldn't be a bull here. I believe we're going lower on whole market, and financials are going to be included. Let's take a look at Yahoo. Here we have the daily chart for Yahoo. Just beat estimates here on the right after the close. They came out with better than expected of 0.35, I believe. And here you can see we're selling off a couple of points here down today in the market and also on the after hours. So that's going to be interesting also. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.